Are you ready to elevate your lasagna game? This video will guide you through the essential factors in selecting the perfect casserole dish for making lasagna. Lasagna is a culinary masterpiece, but choosing the right vessel ensures the perfect bake. A poorly designed dish can ruin even the best lasagna recipe. First, let's talk about the importance of vessel geometry. The standard 13 by 9 inch dish is the industry benchmark. It fits the noodles perfectly, ensuring even cooking. But not all dishes are created equal. Look for ones with a depth of 2.75 inches or more. This prevents overflow and allows for multiple layers of pasta and sauce. Next, material matters. High-fired stoneware is a top choice for professional results. It retains heat well and allows for even cooking throughout. Enameled cast iron is perfect for getting that perfect golden crust. Now, consider heat management. The right dish helps overcome the cold core challenge. Look for heavy gauge walls which absorb heat and cook the center evenly. Don't forget about structural leverage. A lasagna can weigh up to 10 pounds. Dishes with wide, integrated handles make it easier and safer to transport. Lastly, ease of cleaning is crucial. Opt for vitrified glazes that resist sticking, making cleanup effortless. In conclusion, investing in a high-quality casserole dish transforms your lasagna into a restaurant-quality dish time after time. Ready to improve your baking? Check out the best casserole dishes on Amazon and elevate your lasagna game.